Hello, welcome to another video of this SVA Design YouTube channel. As you guys probably know by now by the few people that have been watching, my name is Veldboom, and in this video I'm not gonna kind of talk to how to design anything. I just want to give you guys an update because I haven't really uploaded in the last couple of days, months, weeks, I don't know. So what has been going on? So first and foremost, I'm back in school now, so I'm in product design college. Is there something on this? So I'm in product design college. I am going for my bachelor degree and I'm in my first year again, so that takes up a lot of the time, and some could argue that I could also create content around school, but I'm not really interested in a lot of this stuff because I'm now in more of an introduction type of period where there's not really a lot of stuff going on that will have some consequences for the videos or anything. So not consequences, but will have some influence on the video. So hopefully I'll get to learn stuff that I can incorporate into the videos, but that is not on the stage where I'm at right now. Also, next to school, I'm working with my dad on a software program that will kind of allow to keep score of games, and I've said multiple times that I would also do a video on this channel for that software app, but I'm feeling like on the stages we're getting into right now, we should probably just launch it when the time is right for us to do that. So, but that takes also a lot of time. And then the third thing that I'm doing, which is not even the final thing, is I'm working also with a manufacturer, not with a manufacturer, I should say that. I'm also working with an aerospace engineer to actually develop a supercar. So he is specialized in making constructions for airplanes and things of that nature. And I'm more of the design guy. So we are currently in just negotiations on how the actual contract will be set up, but I've already put probably more than 150 hours into the car. So add just a picture in. I will add just a picture so you can see what it looks like and all of that. So that is the car that I'm working on, and I'm pretty excited by it. So yeah, we are actually talking about having a possibility to build this car. So I don't really want to say too much because I'm also planning on just maybe making a better video for that complete car that also is maybe like an hour long, and just taking you guys through the whole stages of everything once it is complete. But that is exciting for me. So that is also the third thing that's taking up a lot of time, and I don't really want to record while I'm working on that car because currently the computer that I have right now isn't really fast enough to do the screen recording and work on it in SolidWorks while I'm dealing with a pretty big file. So that will be a little bit too difficult for me right now. So yeah, that is a little bit of the reasoning behind all the things that are going on with the channel, with my lack of content and all of the above. And I also still have a part-time job. I work like 10 hours a week, so it's not very long, but it does take up like 2 days at a Nike factory store. So that is also still the regular job that I still have. So that is why I haven't really been active on all the social media things. So also follow me on Instagram at SVA Design. I will be getting back to producing also content for my Instagram, and those are the messages that I wanted to share with the audience. So thanks for watching. Also thanks for subscribing to a lot of the new people that have been subscribing to the YouTube channel. And yeah, please also leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And also get into the comments to let me know what you guys think on all of the things that I'm going, and also what you would love to see from the channel. So yet again, my name is Veldboom, and this is SVA Design. I'm out.